Modding Mario Kart Wii and downloaded MKZ track files for custom courses. These contain compressed track data for the popular custom track community. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these Mario Kart Wii track files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single MKZ file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. A game file used by Mario Kart Wii to define the geometry, textures, and properties of a custom racetrack. Modders create or edit these files to introduce new racing experiences into the game. Users search for this file type when they want to download and play custom tracks on a modded console or emulator. A proprietary binary format that contains 3D model data, vertices, polygons, texture references, and game-specific parameters like item box locations and checkpoints. This compiled structure is designed for efficient loading and rendering by the Wii's graphics hardware, prioritizing performance during gameplay. Typically, MKZ files can be opened with Mario Kart Wii created by Nintendo. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows cannot show embedded 3D or 2D assets, so specialized extraction tools are necessary. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your MKZ file, then click Open With. Try Mario Kart Wii first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. If the MKZ file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, installing with Riivolution. Use Riivolution or CTGPR distribution to install custom MKZ tracks on a homebrewed Wii console. Place MKZ files in the appropriate directory on your SD card, following the distribution's documentation. Riivolution patches the game at runtime to include custom tracks alongside or replacing original Nintendo courses without modifying the original game disc. Next, extracting with Wiimms Tools. Use Wiimms Tools, a command line suite for processing Mario Kart Wii files. Run Wiimms extract on the MKZ to decompress its contents, revealing the SCS archive and component files. The tools support track inspection conversion between formats and rebuilding custom tracks from edited components for advanced track creation workflows. Finally, creating custom tracks. Use SketchUp or Blender with Mario Kart Wii export plugins to design new custom tracks. Combine 3D models with KMP files created in KMP Cloud Editor and CKCL collision generated from the track geometry. Package the result as MKZ for distribution through CTGPR and other Mario Kart Wii custom track communities and tournaments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.